Do you want to know the secrets that could double, triple, or even 10 times your income? These 3 powerful strategies are creating a new wave of wealthy individuals, and if you act fast, you can be part of this movement too. Whether you're a business owner, a leader, or just someone hungry to increase your income, this video is your roadmap to success. Today, I'm going to share 3 game-changing keywords that could completely transform your business or side hustle. These aren't just trends, they're wealth-building tools that, when applied correctly, can supercharge your income. Let's dive into the first keyword: market wave. The business world is like an ocean. It moves in cycles of waves. If you catch the right wave at the right time, it can carry your business further than you ever imagined. Take Depop, for example. Depop is an online marketplace that gained massive popularity in recent years, particularly among Gen Z and millennials. Early adopters of this platform, especially fashion-savvy individuals, made fortunes by reselling vintage clothes and unique items. Some sellers were raking in 6 figures just by leveraging the wave of interest in secondhand, sustainable fashion. Or look at Temu, which exploded in popularity with its ultra-affordable pricing. Entrepreneurs quickly monetized by finding trending products, buying in bulk, and reselling them at higher prices across platforms like Temu. These waves were massive opportunities for those who acted fast. The lesson? Timing is everything. Whether it's affiliate marketing, e-commerce, or any other venture, stepping into the right market wave can propel your income to extraordinary heights. Now, let's talk about the second keyword: AI. AI is not just the future, it's the now. If you're not using AI tools in your business, you're already falling behind. AI can transform how you work, save you time, and skyrocket your efficiency. Here's how. Marketing. Use tools like ChatGPT to write ad copy, craft emails, or even brainstorm campaign ideas. Content creation. Platforms like Canva AI and Midjourney can help you create stunning visuals in minutes. Customer service. AI chatbots can handle inquiries 24/7, giving you more time to focus on growth. Sales. Use AI-driven insights to understand your customers better and close more deals. Businesses that fail to adopt AI will struggle to compete because the world is now divided into 2 groups. 1. Those who leverage AI to work smarter. 2. Those who risk becoming obsolete. Which group do you want to be in? Are you using AI to grow your business? If yes, I'd love to hear how AI has been transforming your business in the comments. Finally, let's talk about the third keyword: system. A system is the ultimate multiplier for your time and effort. Imagine this. Instead of working hard by yourself, you create a network of people or tools working for you. Let me give you an example. Think about Starbucks or McDonald's. You've never seen the owners serving coffee or flipping burgers, right? That's because they've built a system. Their employees, supply chains, and franchises do the work, creating massive income streams while they focus on scaling. Now, let's apply this to your life. Let's say you're into affiliate marketing. Instead of relying solely on your effort to sell products, imagine having a team of 100 people working for you. Each person helps you sell 10 items a day. That's 1,000 sales daily without breaking a sweat. Your time is limited, but when you create a system, whether through automation, outsourcing, or building a team, you unlock limitless growth. These 3 strategies, market waves, AI, and system, are the keys to massive success. But remember, knowledge is only power if you act on it. So here's your challenge. Pick one of these strategies and start applying it today. Whether it's exploring the current market wave, learning AI tools, or building your first system, take that first step. If this video gave you value, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more insights to help you build your wealth.